In the remote village of Varunpur, surrounded by fields and hills, stood an old, rusted radio tower that hadn't worked in years. It was once the village's only way to communicate during storms, emergencies, and medical needs. But now, it was nothing more than a forgotten skeleton of steel. Then, one summer, heavy rains blocked the roads and flooded the fields. The village was cut off, no mobile signals, no electricity. Villagers started getting sick. A child had a fever that wouldn't break. People panicked. "We need to get the tower working again," said one elder, "but it's too old, too complex. The government will take weeks to send someone. There's nothing we can do." Everyone gave up. Everyone except Aryan, a young boy who spent his evenings fixing radios and taking apart old gadgets in his backyard. Aryan stared at the tower and said, "Maybe I can fix it." People laughed. "You? Fix a communication tower? Don't waste your time, boy. You're not even strong enough to climb that thing." But Aryan didn't listen. He didn't think of what he couldn't do. He only thought of what needed to be done. He found an old repair manual, borrowed a soldering iron, climbed up with a toolkit strapped to his back. He checked wires, swapped out parts from a broken radio, cleaned rusted connections, rewired the power feed from a small solar panel, and fixed a broken antenna arm using metal rods from a bicycle frame. It took him 3 full days. No sleep, no help, just focus. And then, at dawn on the fourth day, a soft beep came from the emergency receiver inside the tower shack. The signal was back. The villagers were stunned. "He's lying. It can't be him. Maybe the tower just started working on its own." No one believed Aryan. That's when an old man, retired village schoolmaster, stepped forward. He looked at the villagers and said, "The question isn't how he did it. The real question is why he could do it." The crowd went quiet. He continued, "Because there was no one around to tell him he couldn't. No one said he was too small or too weak, not even himself. He didn't know it was impossible, so he just did it." Moral of the story: the only limits we truly have are the ones we accept. When no one tells you you can't, you'll often discover that you can. Doubt weakens. Belief builds. So believe in yourself even when others don't, especially when others don't. Because the moment you stop asking if it's possible, you might just become the one who proves that it is.